Good afternoon, myself Pinky Chawla, advocate. I am practicing District Court Delhi as well as Supreme Court of India. New judgment has come in the matter of 498 case FIR case in Supreme Court, where the FIR was rejected. This was a matter that wife has filed on based on cruelty against husband and as well as his parents 498 FIR, and date of filing of FIR was very late because she has dispute with husband and she left her deserted her matrimonial house, and after that she has gone to her parents house, and after going to parents house after 2 years when she didn't come back, the husband requested number of time to come again and stay with me, but she denied, and then he filed divorce case against wife, and while going she has harassed and tortured her mother-in-law so much that she filed domestic violence against her daughter-in-law. When she came to know this, she talked to the concerned lawyer, and token of that to support himself and to be safe side, she filed FIR for 98 case against husband as well as wife. So charge sheet was framed by the police, and husband, when he came to know that 498 case was lodged against him, then for crashing FIR he has gone to High Court, where the High Court has given negative order against husband. He said this 498 case should be carry forward, and should go against husband for taking in a copy of order of High Court. The husband and his family has gone to the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court has given different statement on this matter. He has a different point about this 498 case. He says whether the what are the nature of the allegation. If the nature of allegation is very simple and not able to prove 498, it's no doubt that she has mentioned cruelty and threatening and beating by her husband, but whether in FIR it is being proved. If it is not proved, there is no evidence, there is no witness, and there is no proof neither from any government doctor nor by any person who has witnessed this, that all the consequences which has done by the husband against the wife or his parents has been proved or not. When it is not proved, then as Supreme Court has said that this allegation, where this simple writing in the petition that my husband and creating nuisance, threatening, warning, only just for writing and torturing the husband, it doesn't mean this 498 case FIR to be applied. And secondly, the FIR has gone further asked when the FIR was filed. So after going through, the Supreme Court came to know the husband has filed divorce case first, and after 2 years of filing divorce case and 6 months of filing domestic violence by her mother-in-law, the FIR was registered just to threatening his family and taking revenge from him, because he has filed divorce case and his mother has filed domestic violence case. That's why she is filing 498 case. Number one, to save herself. Number two, torture them, and number three, just to take revenge. So Supreme Court also denied this point also, that this point is not valid. And again, the Supreme Court has shown very depression on the order of High Court, that High Court has given order in against the husband. The Supreme Court said 482 CRPC is given power to High Court, that High Court should go and give in detailed investigation. If the person is innocent and he is filing a petition for quashing an FIR, that should be done. Why they have taken the side of women, where they have not gone through all the allegation that really 498 cases meant, because it is basically duty of trial court. When the matter comes to trial court in the evidence time, it was to be taken seriously, taken or considered by the concerned court, what are the allegations she is putting against husband as well as his family is correct or not. If it is not correct and just meant to for a revenge, or just writing, she's writing threatening, warning, and so many allegations against her husband as well as her family, this is not correct, and that should be correct at a spot in the trial court itself. Then it is not required that matter will go to either high court or it will come to Supreme Court. So Supreme Court seriously said this could have been avoided. Then Supreme Court has given instruction to all courts of country as well as police department also. It may be possible that the complainant file 498 FIR in the concerned thana, but it is a moral duty of the police department to watch properly whether she has put the allegation is correct or not. If the allegation put by her that the husband is threatening, warning, beating, when she was beaten, when she was threatened, time, place, venue, evidence, witnesses of the people, if are not there, then FIR could have not been lodged. So Supreme Court has given seriously instruction to all the court of the country that they should look into the matter very seriously, and that matter should not go to reach to High Court or either Supreme Court, because if they have proper investigation and the matter go to mediation where proper investigation is done by the concerned acting lawyer or sitting in the capacity of judge, that is their moral duty to look into the matter very seriously. And this 498 case which is filed with the wife on the basis of just to harass the family of the husband, just to give them threatening or take a revenge from the family because they have filed divorce case and other case, then she has right, and because she has power given by the concerned court, by the court, that she can file 498 case. But it is not that she can file 498 case just for nothing and just using her power and misguiding and misleading the concerned court. So it may also possible that action could be taken against her if she find the FIR was wrong and the allegation put is not correct. The Supreme Court is seriously given instruction that if the matter filed by the concerned wife against husband and go to High Court, then 482 CRPC, where the husband asks for the quashing FIR to be considered properly and should be given proper investigation time to both the parties, where should be checked seriously whether the 498 case is valid or not, because it may possible that 498 contents are there but ingredients mentioned in 498 case whether seriously apply or not. So Supreme Court has rejected 498 FIR against husband. So husband and his family has to chill. It's not every time in compulsion that wife put allegation, put number of cases against husband, that will be proof in the concerned court. If he has full confidence, he has proof, he has got all the details related to the matter, he can fight the case properly and he will get full justice. Thank you so much listening to me. Myself Pinky Chawla. My number is 9818277131. If you have any queries in detail about this matter, you can feel free to talk to me, but with prior information. Thank you so much for listening to me. Regards.